Alrighty guys, so we're gonna be working on some wiring today.
Hey.
No, this is just like extras at this point. So Paul's gonna do some interior lighting and his window switches. Ooh, where's your fancy future technology here? So Paul 3D printed up the switch panel and then the mount for his perfect tuning gauge. I don't know if I said that he got that, but he got that. It's plausible. But yeah, so this should work pretty good. We should probably get this like epoxy meow.
Probably. Here it is.
And then, so yeah, we're gonna basically just epoxy those in. While we're doing all that, I'm also going to get my window switches. Pretty much I'm thinking I'm just gonna extend wires and such. I'm not sure where I'm gonna mount them quite yet. So yeah, that's kind of a predicament. Maybe I'll go over there and just look at it and think,
You just look at it.
where would I put these? Where is the most terrible location to put these? And I'll put them there. Yeah. I should just wire them all to one switch, so I'm just rolling up both windows at one time.
Yeah, that's good for the windows.
It'll be fine. So like one window like is off just a little bit.
Yeah.
Even though I don't think that'd matter.
I think they both go up till they're done.
Yeah. I think they have like the auto cutoffs in them. That'd be cool, but I don't know.
One switch controls everything.
Yeah.
That'd be annoying when you're trying to roll down one window, like when it's raining.
It's either going to be way too cold or way too hot. You don't have that like just one window kind of benefit. So, terrible idea. Not going to do that. Why'd you even bring that up? Are you idiot? So yeah, then here's the wiring already for the windows. This stuff's pretty much OEM plus. Yeah, I mean that's the gist. We're gonna work on window switches. We're gonna get that epoxied in, and hopefully that'll be mounted in there. Is your perfect tuning ones already? Is that permanently? No.
I gotta rewind. I left the wire 7 miles long still.
Oh, so yeah. Just wanted to make sure it works.
I put heat shrink on it and wrapped them, just so I could dry them.
But yeah, so that's kind of the gist. So what's happening? So let's make this happen. All right, so I went ahead, made up a second panel. There's the old one. Here's the new one. I'm gonna go ahead and do something fancy on here. So get excited, get ready. And one fuck up later, we got this. So it should look good. Better than nothing in that void. It's pretty much temporary until probably next year or the year at whenever the hell I have the time and money to fiberglass a whole dash. So, and then this will all go away, and then I'll hide these switches probably better. But yeah, other than that, that's that. So now we move on to, I gotta extend up these wires. The ground is good, but I need to extend the power wires. I could probably pair them up together, but we'll see. Because I'm not running a relay, all the power has to go through these, and then they go to the motors, and those motors take quite a bit. So that's why it's such a big gauge, and that's probably why yeah, I don't know. I might go down to one gauge, or like one wire. So let's do that. All right, so as you can tell, when we open and close the door, same thing over there. When he closes it, boom. So Paul wired in some courtesy lights, which is awesome. So yeah, there's that.
Line where we get in at night.
Yeah, pretty much. And then I just extended this power wire. The ground should reach. And right now I'm going to put these eyelets on the end of here and get them screwed on. Hopefully I screw them on and guess right the first time so I don't have to do it again. I'm just going to follow the colors I already have on here. Maybe I was thinking when I made these. Good chance I wasn't, but yeah, let's hope for the best. Okay, so boom, there it is. Looks like booty hole. And yeah, so it's wired up. Hopefully they're right. If they're not, I can just loosen it up and rotate it. and be a lazy ass about it. Or I can change it, because I probably will. And yeah, so now all we got to do is just wire this into constant power, add this into the ground, and yeah, and then finish luming up all this once I make sure that everything reaches and everything's routed good, and we're good to go. But that's probably where this one's going to end, because that's all we got. And then we had some, I was going to do some liquid electrical tape on here, because that would have been neat, because Paul bought some and we never used it, and it's junk, so it's right there. It said it was extremely flammable, so naturally we had to try it, because it's just going to get thrown away. So no loss, our game. I think that's how it went. But yeah, we're in it to win it now. And then I know Paul cleaned up some of the wiring. Contrary to how it looks, he cleaned it up. But hopefully that'll be all good. Oh yeah, and then you epoxy that in there, so that should be real good and nice. Oh, you didn't even do this one? Some people's kids these days.
I can do it now, but it only takes 5 minutes.
So yeah, and then this sits in there like this, so the switches are facing down.
Right there. Yeah.
No, they'll have to wait to see it in the car. Making them wait.
I'm all of them.
Well then fine, we're not gonna wait. Just gotta wait for Paul to jam it in there.
I'm jamming.
Are you gonna put it in or what? Doesn't fit anymore?
Yeah.
That would be how you say a damn shame.
There it is.
Dang! But should work great. So that's where we're gonna end this one, guys. So you know the drill. Like, comment, subscribe. See you guys in the next one.